So in this video I'm gonna show you my favorite 5 tips for the camera on the Tecno Nova 5 Pro. So for the first, I can definitely recommend you to use the 50 megapixel mode that you can find by going to the AI cam. Right now when you take the photo and hold your phone steady, you can find that you can get a lot of details on your photos. You can also zoom in really close, so if you want to crop from the photos, you can also do this. Next, you can also change the brightness level by tapping on the screen and moving this icon up and down. So that's how you can increase the brightness on the photos. You can also do this automatically by tapping on the screen. When you tap on the right upper corner, you can find filters. As you can see, they're changing the color and the temperature. Next, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can actually do this by holding the finger on one of the presets, and then you will unlock this slider. As you can see right now, it looks and works really smooth. And the last tip will be about this other settings. So you have to swipe up like that, and you can find the dual video mode that allows us to record video from the 2 cameras at the same time. You can also click right here to change the resolution between Full HD and the HD, and also we can create the picture in the picture. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.